Hey everyone, Alan here from your Health Circle. And listen, right now, as you're watching this, want to know the real secret to living a long, vibrant life? It all comes down to one thing: keeping your cardiovascular system clean and healthy. Your heart and arteries need to be in top shape. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to make that happen. If you're dealing with heart disease, clogged arteries, high blood pressure, or any condition related to your cardiovascular system, what I'm about to share could be life-changing. Stay with me because this is powerful stuff. Let me tell you about something extraordinary: extra virgin olive oil. This liquid gold is packed with antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E that act like bodyguards for your cells, protecting them from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants reduce inflammation in your blood vessels and heart, setting the stage for better health. But here's where it gets even better. Extra virgin olive oil actively lowers your bad cholesterol while raising your good cholesterol. It helps reduce those dangerous triglycerides that can form plaque in your arteries. Those polyphenols I mentioned, they actually help relax your blood vessels, improving blood flow, reducing hypertension, and making the inner lining of your blood vessels more flexible. This is incredible stuff. Now let me introduce you to the second powerhouse ingredient: chia seeds. These tiny seeds are absolutely loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats have been scientifically linked to reducing heart disease and inflammation while supporting brain function. But wait, there's more. Chia seeds are packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber. Here's what's fascinating: that soluble fiber doesn't get digested in our gut because we don't have the enzymes for it. Instead, it travels to your large intestine where it acts like a prebiotic, feeding your probiotics. This process produces short-chain fatty acids, particularly butyrate. And butyrate is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatories in your entire body. It protects your colon, it protects the colonocytes, and it reduces inflammation throughout your body, including your blood vessels and heart. And here's something you'll love: chia seeds make you more insulin sensitive and less insulin resistant. They balance out your insulin and glucose levels, give you incredible satiety so you won't overeat, and leave you feeling energized throughout the day. Now for the third ingredient that's going to blow your mind: cayenne pepper. This spicy wonder has amazing benefits for your heart and arteries. It reduces cholesterol levels and prevents plaque buildup in your arteries, significantly reducing your risk of heart disease and atherosclerosis. Cayenne pepper has natural blood-thinning properties that help prevent dangerous blood clots from forming. The capsaicin in cayenne pepper has medicinal healing properties that prevent plaque formation and make your blood thinner with less stickiness, so plaque doesn't build up on the inner walls of your arteries. If you're trying to lose weight, listen up. Cayenne pepper speeds up your metabolic rate and increases thermogenesis. But here's what really excites me about cayenne pepper: it helps secrete nitric oxide within your blood vessels, causing vasodilation. That means it opens up your blood vessels, takes stress off your heart, lowers your blood pressure, and gives your body better circulation. This is powerful medicine from nature. Let me show you exactly how to put these three powerful ingredients together. We've got chia seeds that do wonderful things for your cardiovascular system. Remember, when these seeds absorb fluid, they can swell up to 12 times their size. We've got extra virgin olive oil and cayenne pepper right here. Here's what you do. Get a small shot glass or a small glass, put 1 to 2 teaspoons of chia seeds in there, add about an ounce or 2 of extra virgin olive oil. Remember, 1 ounce is 2 tablespoons, so about 2 tablespoons is perfect. Now watch this. This extra virgin olive oil and these chia seeds are going to start to swell. They're going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. After you pour this in, let it sit for a good 10 to 15 minutes and stir it up. You'll see those chia seeds expand from 1 teaspoon to what looks like 2 or 3 teaspoons because they're absorbing all that oil. That's what's going to go into your stomach, and that's where all the magical work is going to happen for your health and blood vessels. Here's the key. If you can handle it, I highly recommend adding a little splash or dash of cayenne pepper, just 1 or 2 dashes. The chia seeds, the extra virgin olive oil, and the cayenne pepper work synergistically together to do amazing things for your cardiovascular system. Now, if cayenne pepper is too spicy for you, just use half a dash or a tiny bit. And if you absolutely cannot use cayenne pepper, that's okay. Just use the chia seeds and the extra virgin olive oil, and you'll still get tremendous benefits. After just a few minutes, I can already see these chia seeds starting to swell. Some sink to the bottom, some float to the top. Keep stirring it. You can add this to your smoothies, your yogurts, your baked goods, sprinkle it over your oatmeal, wherever you like. But what I do, I just shoot it right before my meal. Here's what happens. I wait about 5 minutes or so and I start to feel full. I don't eat as much, and this mixture gets right to work in your digestive system. Besides helping your heart and arteries, this will make you regular because that olive oil does wonderful things for the peristalsis of your intestines. So, if you're constipated, gassy, bloated, swollen, or retaining fluid, I challenge you to try this. You will be amazed at the results. You can drink this shot once, first thing in the morning, preferably right before a meal, and then again later in the day. I recommend you start with just 1 shot and see how you react. Because here's what's going to happen. This is going to give you so much satiety that you're going to see tremendous changes. Your blood pressure will lower. You'll have better circulation, more energy, better glucose and insulin balance. Your digestion is going to improve dramatically. You'll have less inflammation. If you're having joint problems or any inflammatory issue, any systemic problem, any immune problem, it all comes back to inflammation. If we can reduce that inflammation, your body is going to start healing. You're going to feel better, look better, and have more energy. I want you to know that this little shot glass is filled with something that can make all the difference when it comes to your health, your happiness, your energy, your sleep, your digestion, your cardiovascular system, and so much more. I only wish you good health. Please share this with your friends and family who need to hear this message. Leave your comments below and let me know how this works for you. And most importantly, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandel from your Health Circle. VV.